Are you confused about choosing the right online courses for learning artificial intelligence and machine learning? If yes, then keep watching this video to know about the top 6 courses from Eduonix to learn AI and ML in no time. Hello and welcome. Today I will try my best to make your life easy by enlisting best online tutorials on AI and ML which are currently present on Eduonix website. Some of these courses will unfold from scratch while others may be more advanced, but all of these will have few things in common. All are inclined to give you more practical knowledge rather than the basic theoretical knowledge which you generally get in normal classes or from any other tutorials. All of them also support a discussion session where you can ask your questions or discuss any doubts which are really very important for understanding any concept to the core. At the end of the video, I will also be sharing some amazing offers and discounts which you can avail on all these 6 courses. So let's begin. The first one in this list is Learn Machine Learning by Building Projects. It is one of the most premium and highly rated courses for machine learning which is offered by Eduonix. With over 45 lectures and more than 13.5 hours of video, it will help you in building some of the most in-demand real-world machine learning projects. Although this course will not teach you ML from the beginning, as it requires you to have prior knowledge of Python and other related programming languages. This tutorial will help you to create cool projects like breast cancer detection, diabetes onset detection, stock market clustering, credit card fraud detection, object recognition, and others. You can take this tutorial if you're looking to master all the important concepts of machine learning by breaking it down to different algorithms and functions. Another best part about this course is that it starts with the building blocks of ML and then progresses towards more complicated concepts with further projects. Our second course is Mathematical Foundation for Machine Learning and AI. It is a little gem, and there is a reason why I said it a little gem. Trust me, out there are very few tutorials which are completely dedicated for the mathematics behind machine learning. It is one of the few online courses which can live up to all your expectations if you're someone who is looking to refresh the mathematical concepts for AI and ML. It includes 4 sections consisting of 18 lectures with over 4 hours of videos. From teaching you linear algebra to multivariate calculus to probability theory, this course is packed with everything which is required to understand the mathematical background you need to start working on machine learning algorithms. The next course to this list is Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners. It is a complete guide for anyone to master machine learning concepts and create real-world ML solutions from the beginning. This 6.5 hours long tutorial includes 30 lectures, which will give you the basic instruction at first, then it is followed by supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning, neural networks, selecting the right algorithm, and building and training the networks. Of course, the prior knowledge of Python is required, but apart from this, everything is provided within this course, which will help you to master different but essential concepts of machine learning in a very simple way. Let's move on to our next courses, which is Machine Learning with Tensorflow. Practical guide. The best part about this course is that it will teach you machine learning with Tensorflow, which is one of the widely used libraries for numerical computation and large-scale machine learning. This 7 hours long tutorial has an impressive rating too. From the basic fundamentals of TensorFlow to implementation of ML algorithms in TensorFlow, everything is illustrated in this practical guide. My 5th course for this list is Machine Learning Basics with Classic Models in Python. It is again one of the highly rated courses on Eduonix for learning machine learning. All the 52 lectures for this course will teach you about Python, Jupyter, its setup. data pre-processing and classification models. With this course, you'll also get an end-to-end DIY project for implementing your learning and better understanding. Finally, it's time for the last course on machine learning to conclude this list, and it is the Deep Learning Masterclass for Image Classification with Keras. It is truly a masterclass online tutorial. This tutorial will help you learn deep learning with Keras with over 35 lectures. PyCharm usage, its installation and running Python files along with Python language basics, neural networks, Keras API and its syntax, CIFAR 10 dataset for images and other core concepts are explained well in this tutorial. This course also teaches you to build the image classifier mode. Isn't it cool? So there you go. There are of course myriads of other online tutorials present on both Eduonix and other websites. But in terms of the effectiveness and usefulness, these are the ones which truly stand out from others. The 6 courses which I have listed are some of the best online resources available currently which you can utilize to master the different aspects of AI and ML in details. If you want to know more about other online courses and of course some exciting offers or discounts which I promised at the beginning of this video, then check out the description below and click on Eduonix link right away. Lastly, if you have found this video useful, then don't forget to like, and if you want more interesting stuff like these, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon.